cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. We're out here with another bang. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go. They're already getting ratchet, guys. We're barely pulling up to the spot right now, and they're already doing ratchet activities as we speak. We got the little Miata coming in? Okay. Beautiful CTSV, okay. VA gang. We got a Mustang, okay. CTSV. Man, that thing's a beast. No mom, hey, take that shit, vámonos. What happened? He has a flat tire. You're good?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
That was your car?
No, I just came right now.
Oh.
But I'm just making sure you're good.
Oh, yeah.
All right, good.
Thank you, though.
Yeah, for sure, man. Damn. Okay, we got a cop car over here. So we got a collision core with the truck right here, guys. The bumper came off. Cops are here already. After who? Cops going after somebody. Oh. Cops going after this little guy right here. We got a backup cop. Backup cop. They're in pursuit. The cops are in pursuit, guys. All the cops are going in. I don't think he's getting away from this one. That is crazy. I think he's coming back. I think he wants people to help him block. He just took the light right there. Just took the light. We got all the cops behind him. Oh, shit. Damn. I don't think, oh, he pulled over. He pulled over. They got him. Just letting you know, guys, we are by Knott's Berry Farms right now. Legit, Knott's Berry Farm. We're gonna go check this guy out. That was some sick ass footage though, how he just took the red light and just straight dipped. Gee, we got Knott's Berry Farm. This guy, instead of going to Knott's Berry Farm, he's going elsewhere. There, he has so many cops right there. They blocked the street down too. Let me see, try to get me closer. Actually, stay here. Damn, guys, the cops took this very seriously. by Knott's Berry Farm, guys. Supreme Scream. What's up, bro? Hey. Damn, so this is what happened when the guy that took the light, guys. We got cops everywhere. He's going straight to jail, right in the butt.
He has a gun pulled out.
They got the gun pointed out at the guy. Let me see. Oh shit.
He had the gun.
Damn. Alright guys, so the guy right now, the cop shut down the whole street, as you can see right now. Had a gun pointed at him. Every cop had their guns out right now. They pretty much treated him like a delinquent, like a hardcore delinquent after he took the little red light. So their cops are not taking no chances right now. So they're actually doing it like a real pursuit right now. It's crazy. The guy didn't even make it that far. I think he had a lot of people in the car, but the cops, gun drawn, and they shut down the whole intersection, as you can see. So if you're at a takeover, guys, and the cops behind you, just pull over because they're gonna treat you really bad. That guy's going straight to jail tonight. And for the holidays, he might not even make it out, guys. So RIP to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the KF Gang movement. Let's go. We're almost at 20K subscribers, guys. God damn it. Thank you guys so much. So people are pulling up. More people keep pulling up right now. This is a non-stop ending line of cars. Okay. That is beautiful. I haven't seen fireworks in a minute. I feel very romantic right now. I think I want to like go to Vegas and get married with like 7 women right now. Sheesh. That was magical. That was very magical. And if that doesn't bring the cops, I don't know what will. We got 2 cops coming in right now. Everybody's running like motherfuckers with that look.
I spent some days in the trap and got my money up.